In this quick video, I will show you how to transfer money from Coinbase to Phantom Wallet step by step. So the first step is to go to coinbase.com, then log in using your email and password. Then go to the left side here and click My Assets. Scroll down and then choose what assets you're going to transfer. But make sure it is supported by Phantom Wallet. So for example, we're going to use Solana. Click Send and Receive. Go to your Phantom Wallet. Click here. Click Deposit. Copy the address, and then paste it here. Then type the amount of Solana you want to transfer. You can also click here to type down the specific Solana you want to transfer. For example, I want to send the maximum amount of Solana I have. Click Continue, and then click Send Now. Then wait for the instructions to be completed. Once the transaction has been completed, go back to your Phantom wallet and check if you have received the Solana token in your Phantom wallet. If you have any questions about how to transfer money from Coinbase to Phantom Wallet, leave a comment below.